EagleRidge Roofing, your premier roofing experts in South Salt Lake City. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing, your premier roofing experts in South Salt Lake City, Utah. Serving the communities within the 84115 and 84119 zip codes, we are dedicated to delivering top-notch roofing solutions with unmatched professionalism and expertise. At EagleRidge, we understand the importance of a durable and secure roof. Our residential services encompass everything from new roof installations and routine maintenance to comprehensive roof replacements. We specialize in roof inspections, storm damage assessments, gutter installations, soffits and fascia repair, shake shingle sealing, and energy-efficient upgrades with advanced sealing and caulking. For our commercial clients, we offer an extensive suite of services designed to maintain and enhance your property's durability. Commercial roof installations, flat roof repairs, metal roofing systems, EagleRidge Peak, protection plan for preventative maintenance, sophisticated membrane roofing solutions like TPO and EPDM. Our team of certified professionals is committed to excellence, using only the finest materials and cutting-edge techniques. We ensure every project is completed to the highest standards, backed by transparent pricing and reliable warranties. Choosing EagleRidge was the best decision. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction made our roofing experience seamless and stress-free. From new installations in Mill Creek to emergency repairs in West Valley City and routine maintenance across Salt Lake Valley, our reach is vast and our readiness is unmatched. Don't wait for a roofing emergency to find out the importance of expert care. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit us online at EagleRidgePros.com to schedule your free roof inspection. EagleRidge Roofing, where your roof is our responsibility. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, and remember, for roofing done right in South Salt Lake City, trust only EagleRidge Roofing. Protect your investment with the best in the business.